Let me show you how to add data bars to your Excel pivot table. The first thing you're going to need is to have a column with data that can be translated to a data bar, meaning something that has a number, something that is calculated. Then go to select that column and then go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and select data bars. And from over here, pick more rules. Once you have picked more rules, select the second option, all cells showing sum of cost of salaries for myself. If you have multiple columns, make sure to pick the correct one. And then in here, you have the option to pick show bar only. This is going to remove all the numbers and just show the data bar. So if you want that, select this thing in here. Otherwise, if you don't select it, the data bar will be combined with the numbers. You can as well customize the colors, customize the borders, maybe select the bar direction, and so on. In my case, I'm just going to keep it simple, hit OK, and watch what happens. I have my data bars added over here. So that's how to do it. Hope you enjoyed the tip. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.